Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin D water. Start by choosing a vitamin D3 liquid or powder and measure a safe dose based on recommended intake. Mix the measured dose into a liter of purified water and stir until evenly distributed. Label the bottle with concentration and date. Store in a cool, dark place and keep out of reach of children. Consult your healthcare provider with dosing questions. Choose high-quality ingredients and precise measurements for safe vitamin D water. Use vitamin D3 liquid or encapsulated powder with known IU per drop or scoop. Calculate total IU to match your daily allowance and do not exceed upper limits. Consider adding a small amount of healthy fat to aid absorption since vitamin D is fat-soluble. Always label bottles with concentration and date and keep out of reach of children. Measure carefully to avoid dosing errors and use accurate tools like droppers or gram scales. Mix vitamin D into room temperature filtered water and shake or stir until fully combined. If using liquid D3, add the drops directly. If powder, dissolve fully before bottling. Use amber or dark glass to protect from light and refrigerate to extend freshness. Track dates and discard any solution beyond recommended storage time. Consult a pharmacist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.